Hello folks, and welcome to the video. I'm gonna show you where I wasted like past few days without streaming, where I wasted my afternoons in past 2 days, and what I was doing was this website. As you can see here, this is how it looks like on the beginning, but let's just put that aside. First of all, I want to show you this new site that I found on the internet. It's called 000webhost.com. It's a place where you can build pretty much your own free website. There's so many websites out there that you can search to build a website for yourself, but this one offers you opportunity to build it for free. And there's very little of those websites that are offering you such a good deal where you don't need to pay anything, pretty much zero. All the cost I spent, all the spendings here are just zero, so just cost me my 2 days, pretty much afternoons. I didn't stream, but we'll show you what I was able to build with this thing. I didn't have this sponsor video, but this is just a website that I really like, and I did make a website that I wanted to show you with the video. So this is the first page of the 000 web host website, and you can see when you log in, I do make my account there. You can see it offers you to build a website. So I made my own like channel over here on this site, and with this channel, it's pretty much my account here. I logged in and I started to build my website. You can also build WordPress website, but of course WordPress you need to pay like hosting, you need to pay builds and domains and everything, which is not the deal here on this site, where you get an offer to build free a website and host it free on this hostinger. Let me show you. First of all, you go here and that leads you to this page here. So now I built something here, but when you go there for first time, there's gonna be to choose like, do you want to select a template? Do you want to start from scratch? I would say select a template. They're free and they're very good, and you get to keep them whenever you build using those templates. So it's pretty cool to pick that up to start building stuff, especially if you're not familiar with website building. And you also, if you need any help, you just click here, and there's so many nice tutorials, videos. There's a bunch of those that you can read. Pretty much if you click on anything, let's say this text, it will show you like steps how to build stuff. So it's very, very awesome thing. It's even if you don't know how to build a website, it's good to practice, I guess, to get familiar with that kind of topics. And I'll show you what I did with my, not 2 days, but like 2 hours, not 2 hours, like maybe 4 hours a day in past few days. So because I would say like 2 hours effective work, but 4 hours spent time. Okay, so this is what the first page looks like, and you can see it does have this header, does have footer that you can put like some picture in the background, what it's called, this menu, and you can put some title here if you want. But this title is not like a website name. This is the other thing. If you know website, you know that this is just something you put on your own. The title of the home page is always home. You can change this over here, no problem. Let's say, I don't know. So I put this to be intuitive, pretty much. Just name Mirce91 home, and you can click on this menu. I don't want to save that. Okay, if you click on menu, you just go through different sites, and that's changed this. So that's like the header of the page. Footer doesn't change. Footer stays always like the same as this one. I also have this text box here just to show you how, my account, if you need just to check my builds. If you have any, if you want to, I don't know, maybe copy my design and use that for as your own template, why not? This is all free, so no problem with that. And let me show you the finished product first, and I'll just get back to these builds. We'll explain to you things they use and all that. So first of all, the finished product. This is how it looks like. The address that you can find this website is on internet, it's online, it's secure. I did put a SSL, so it's secure connection. Certificate is valid, and you can see Cloudflare. I just finished that. You can, search on internet what that even means. Those of you who are not familiar with website building don't probably never notice that, but you need to make your website secure, so when it's on Google, it doesn't pass some viruses and all that. So I did finish that, and it's on HTTPS. So it doesn't have this www, but you can put that. I think it will work. Let's see. Yeah, it does work with www, but you don't even need to put that. And I also put this, what is called this? I put my picture. Whenever you search here, whenever you put like my name, it does show my picture here. Okay, so what I want to show you, this is the home page. Let's browse a little bit. Let's scroll back down and up and down to see what we have here. Not much content here, but I tried to put at least basics just to have like first look on how it's going to look like when it's completed. So you have like games. I put referral links here, so if you want to buy a game or maybe install the game, if you use the referral links, you don't need to pay anything if you just download the free game. I get something in return from Epic Games, so it's pretty cool. It's no cost for you guys, and I wanted to make the website pretty much just to put those links to many games, because it's just a waste of opportunity if you don't use those referral links if you can get something in return. So there you go. If you want to play, I don't know, this Walking Dead the final season, you can come to this website, go to this referral link, open the page. Let's open that page. Okay, it does lead you to the Epic Games. So you can buy this one, and if you buy using this referral link, it doesn't add you any cost. There's no additional cost for you, but some percent of this cost will be given back to me, I guess, because I made this referral link. So, and thanks to everyone who's using those referral links from my Epic Games account. Thank you so much for that. I really saw an awesome support from you, and I cannot thank you more, but it did give me an idea to make this website just to put all of those links, because I have a ton of those and I just didn't have a space. All the social media were very bad for making a collection of links, so I think website would be best idea. So this website is not just for promotion and on all those links and opportunities, like I did add this Amazon link affiliate banner, but it also is to make some articles that I will write to you so you can read anytime you want. It's always going to be saved here. Let me show you these few articles I just wrote. I mean, I didn't write them, just open pages to start, just to show you how it's going to look like when you go to articles. It does lead you to this web page. It says my website name and then this name of the article. But I also put the name, what is called the numbering of every article, so you can keep on track how many I added to the site, and also for me to organize better, I guess. So this is kind of how it's going to look like. Just a title, maybe some picture, and just text, plain text, maybe some videos. We'll see. There's plenty room for more stuff to be added. And also here, like a list, just text. I'm going to make like a collection of the games I'm streaming. So there's that. And what else? Yeah, it's on the making, of course. All of this site is just on the making. I did put it on public, so so you guys can see and maybe give me some feedback on what you think, and maybe that can help me improve the site for you guys, not just for me to be happy about how my site looks like, but also for you to be useful and maybe a place where we can connect with me, because I'm still working on making some connections from this website to me so we can stay in touch, but it's still a long shot for that. Okay, next thing, games. Pretty much like in articles, I will make like a list of games, but over here it will be more content. When you click on these pictures here, it will drive you to another page, which is dedicated only to the game, where you can find live streams, videos, some promotional codes, some tips and advices for you how you can save some money, probably for with a good deal that I'm trying to make for you. So that's something you can find on this game section. And after that, there's a store section that is only for Amazon affiliate program that I sign in now, just now. But in the future, I might add something on my own, like t-shirts or merchandise from the Mr. 91 YouTube channel or maybe Twitch channel. We'll see in the future. But there it is, how it's an idea how to look like. So you have the picture of the Amazon affiliate program, so you get to know what this store is actually about. And if you know Amazon affiliate, or if you know Amazon, there's no additional cost if you purchase using, if you get to the item that you want to purchase using referral links. It just gives you something in return. So thank you for buying on Amazon and using my referral links, because it's really, really helpful and doesn't cost you anything. There's zero additional cost. Okay, and over here I will put my picks. Just put these two, just, you know, didn't have any idea what to put there. But in the future we'll make my special picks, so it can be like a good advice, not gonna fooling around you here, but just to pick something really good for you. That's a whole idea. But over here you have like a good deals from Amazon. You have some good processor. These are very popular ones that is selected for you from computers, tablets, and components and / processor. Maybe some of you want to build a PC. My advice is go with these pretty much. If you want to build a high end, of course, go i7s and these. If you want to go on low end, go with Ryzen 3 and i5. I would advise you not to go with i3 processor nowadays if you want to buy new stuff. And also, please use these referral links. It really is helpful. Next thing about the game, I will add like some special deals here from different games. If you play games that I play on the channel, you can find some good deals here. I will pick myself these deals, but also if you have some suggestion, if you find interesting stuff, you can send me a message, or we'll see in the future how we can make it like you rate stuff, or maybe put some chat over here. I don't know. We'll see. Next thing, socials, and this is just like links right now. You have like previews also. You can click on this stuff. It will drive you to through my YouTube and all. This is how my YouTube looks like. Those of you who didn't know. Next, I have Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, Patreon. I did make a Patreon, but no big use of that. I don't know. So many people drop from that. I keep using it. I mean, I still have an account. But if you want to connect with me, these 2 or 3 are the best. Also, Twitter is the thing I have on my phone, so it's no problem to use that. This is over here you can see a preview that I am active on Twitter. So many recent posts also every single day. I also posted you this thing on Twitter, so if you want to check it out, just go on my Twitter by Mirsi91, click here. And there's also this website, so you don't need to track it, this 000webhost. If you forget the name, just go to my Twitter, follow me there, and you'll find this page. Okay, so these are previews. It's maybe not the best organized, but at least it's fine for the beginning, in my opinion. Okay, and we also have this powered by 000webhost. I cannot remove that watermark because it's free. They use that just to show that I use this builder to make my site. But it's, you know, not too much of advertising. It's just like in the corner here, not even noticeable. And probably many of you didn't even notice this, that this tab's here. But it's no big deal. I'm happy how this site actually looks like, even with the free tools I use. Okay, next thing, about. Over here I don't have anything. I pretty much just wanted to show you how it will look like, probably, like if I just keep adding more text and maybe some more links to, you know, my socials, maybe. I mean, social I can put here, but still, maybe my personal things or my biography or something like that. Maybe school, and, you know, I don't have much social life. Pretty much you can find that on YouTube, but we'll see what in the future. Okay, And this is what I built so far. Let's get back here. As I said, I want to show you the tools that I use. Okay, so as you can see the home page, this is how it looks like when it's on the build. This is how it looks like when it's finished. When you can visit, this is what you can see right now. And this is featured video as something I added. This is how it looks like on the build here. I just add a video, but I didn't add a video here. I did add a URL or maybe some embedded code on the site, and it does have this frame. So you can watch this video on this site, or you can select to watch on YouTube. So you can watch it later. Just click on this and go to your YouTube, and you'll see that on watch later. But if you go and watch it, let's click on that. You can have this watch on YouTube right now. Okay, this is from my video I recently posted. I think it's the last video on the channel before this upload. Okay, and I will be featuring videos occasionally on this site, so my picks will be here. I was trying to put like the latest video, but it's still not working, the embed code, so I just roll back to the featured video. I need manually to upload it. But anyway, what else? And this is the shop, how it looks like here. You can see it says, it does show this, what it's called, characters here, but when you go on finish site, you can see it's Amazon or Amazon banner here, but over here it doesn't show that because it's like embedded code from Amazon. But be not afraid to use this, to click on these banners, because as I said, I managed to use this certificate, and I managed to use like a secure connection to Amazon, so you're not gonna be with any danger that you're gonna be led to any malware site or stuff like that. Nothing dangerous using these links on this site. So yeah, there you go. If you have any questions, of course, leave those in comments below this video. And if you like my site, if you have any critics, I really appreciate everything that every feedback that you give me, because it's so much helpful to have like users critics than my own personal what I can spot. It's very much different than what you think about. Okay, so there we go. What else? I don't know. Let's finish the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye.